Make this stunning orchid right now. Grab Teal pipe cleaners to start. Fold pipe cleaner into a fan. Twist the base tightly to secure. Repeat to make 5 large petals. Add a small loop at base. Curl tips for natural petal shape. Now make the narrow inner petals. Fold and twist each small petal. Switch to yellow pipe cleaners now. Shape the orchid's yellow lip petal. Form it into a butterfly shape. Make a small teal star calyx. Prepare a long stem for each. Attach inner teal petals to stem. Add the star-shaped calyx on top. Use a flat iron to shape. Press petals flat for smooth finish. Combine teal inner petals and yellow. Layer all petals to build up. Hold all pieces at the base. Color petals with blue-purple markers. Join 3 yellow pieces for labellum. Yellow lip petal is now complete. Push a pearl bead into center. Hot glue secures all petals firmly. Your first orchid flower is done. Attach the large teal outer petals. Spread petals wide for full bloom. Repeat steps to make more flowers. Create small buds for branch tips. Make 3 full flowers plus buds. USC green floral tape to bind. WRAP tape firmly down the stem. Add each flower along the branch. Place small buds at the top. Like and subscribe for more crafts.